Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Without much ado, let us dive our exciting story. Title: Loyal Till the End. In a quiet town, a man and his dog, Bruno, were inseparable, walking the same path every day. One morning, tragedy struck. A speeding car hit the man as they crossed the road. Bruno barked and whimpered, nudging his lifeless owner, refusing to leave. Days passed. Rain poured. The body was taken, but Bruno stayed by the roadside, eyes fixed on where his best friend fell. He followed the casket to the cemetery, silent, heartbroken. At the burial, the man's family noticed Bruno, muddy, thin, and shivering. They tried to call him, but he backed away, confused and grieving. A week later, the man's daughter returned with his old shirt. She sat beside Bruno, tears falling. Gently, she whispered, "He loved you, and so do we." Bruno leaned into her lap, eyes closed, finally home, healing with the only family he had left. But don't forget to like and share the video. Bye.